Ready, Miu? Our adventure starts now.
Let's go! I'm so excited! We just went through a dangerous phase. Let's go find a stream to catch fish and eat. I'm so hungry! That fish smells so good!
Watch out! That was way too close. The crocodiles nearly got us. Let's follow this direction. We'll get out of the jungle soon.
Yes. Today I learned something important. Next time, we will prepare better and avoid dangerous areas.